The comeback thing. Ronald McDonald's only 30 years old. How did he get 15 generations of kids? Nah, don't be questioning me.
Every year, yeah. Every year.
Come here, baby.
Oh, imagine Halloween. Like, oh, you come in with
Oh wow, you have Choke Ronald McDonald's. So and they're all look the same.
Scare people, but also get candy at the same time.
Man, I want to have a Halloween party though, man.
Oh, you know what we should do one day? You guys watch those drive-thru the people that jack food from McDonald's from the drive-thru?
Oh,
like someone ordered it, right? When they give the food, you run and grab the food and just run away.
Yeah.
You never seen those videos? I've seen a couple.
You mean like someone drives up to the drive-thru, but a random person just comes in and just grabs it?
Yeah, grab the food. Yeah.
You should do that. Yeah, you know, you pay, but you actually pay for it because that's like your friend stealing it for you. It's like, yeah, here you go. Keep the change. Just drive out of there.
Oh, we should do that.
Right there, just have one of us go order food. And then when he goes to the drive-thru, and then one of us next steals the food, we go, okay, I need more food now. You get twice the food.
Yeah, that's why.